Okay, the time has come for real this time. Starflower's coming out. Bulbs are coming out. Gonna try to get this front bed cleaned up. I think about 3 videos later. We'll see if we can actually get a dent in it this time. One trash bag, 2 buckets of soil, and 1 small section. The sun's coming out so you can't see anything, but come around, cleared out that side. There's still some more back there, but I think I'm gonna do the stuff in the back after I've got the stuff that's in bloom. I'm really wanting to prevent as much as I can of this going to seed. Okay, so here's what it's looking like after about 2 or 3-ish hours. Got most of this area pretty well cleaned out. Kind of have sort of defined an edge to the bed. Got this stuff all cleaned out, and I'm starting to work my way this way, but it's really slowed down because I got into a big patch of arum and I'm trying to dig it out, but it's just really painstaking trying to get all those little corms out. So I think I might pause the arum effort and try to tackle this stuff over here, clean up that edge a little bit. And another thing is, as I was working out here, a neighbor saw me working and had some sword fern that she offered me. So I think once I get that area back there tidied up, I'll plop that sword fern in there, or maybe in there somewhere. There was a big patch of arum there earlier that I kind of just yanked up by hand, so I expect more arum will pop up that way, so perhaps I'll tuck it in around here. So we'll see. That's how it's going so far. Alright, about 4 hours later, and I want to keep working, but I've got other things I need to get done today. So this is going to be it for Friday, but feeling good about what I got done. I didn't really clean up too much back there, only in a spot enough to get that fern planted. So that's tucked in back there, and I tried to, didn't really dig up, but I did rip off the blossom heads of the bulbs over there. The little patch of arum's gonna have to wait. I'd also wish I had gotten bark dust on this, or wood chips from the pile in the backyard, but no dice for today. It'll have to wait till tomorrow or some other day. But that's what we got done Friday morning, April 9th. Quick little update on the front bed. This little shrub is blooming. How charming. Don't even know what that shrub is, but yeah, it's blooming. Looking good. Feels good.